Welcome back. Now you can also link your mobile device to Windows 10. And what you'll do is to come down into the search bar, you'll type in link your phone. And you'll see here that there is a system setting, and we're going to click on that setting. And then we're going to then click in add a phone. And what you're going to need to do then is you're going to need to send a link to either your Android or iPhone. So you're going to put in your number and then you're going to click send. You're then going to get a text message and you're going to go ahead and click the link. If you're using an iPhone, you're going to be asked to open this page in your App Store. You'll then click the Get button. You'll then open the application once it's installed. Once you do that, you will then sign in. And once you complete the setup process, you'll notice then that your phone will then be linked to your account. And what this will do is this will allow you to start a process on your mobile device and then finish on your PC. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.